Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible. And I filmed this beauty at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a good looking car. Somebody did a fantastic job restoring it, put the new leather interior in it, had the Buick road wheels with wide white walls, and it was really a showstopper, that's for sure. This was a pretty rare car for Buick. In 1964, total Buick production was 510,490 vehicles. And of that, they made 68,792 Buick Electra 225s. And out of that number, they made 7,181 convertibles. So this beauty is pretty rare as well, and definitely a good-looking car, that's for sure. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, 1964 Buick Electra 225 convertible. But if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Share this video with a friend or share it on your group page if you have one. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. And oh, by the way, here's a couple of videos that'll take you over to my channel, Car Finder, where you can look at any of up to almost 700 videos right now. But take a look at one of these two videos, and that'll take you over to there. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.